Hi there, Andre here from Peak Motorcycles. I'm here at EICMA 2023, and despite my introduction video I did a few days ago, I'm here with Harley Davidson. Now, it's not really Harley Davidson, I'm actually here on the Hero stand, but what they have here is the Harley Davidson X440, which I believe Hero are making for them for the Indian market. So, yeah, it was actually a bike I was interested in seeing. So this is going to be a really short video because it is really just that one bike behind me. I'll give you a look at that and you can see what you think. So there really is just one bike here, so there is very, very little to show you. Nevertheless, it was a bike I was interested in seeing, and maybe some of you are too. So this is the Harley Davidson X440. I think it's made by Hero in India for Harley Davidson. As you can see, it's got what looks like a cast rear wheel. It's got some elements that make it look like a Harley, albeit I'm sure it is quite different. It's got twin shocks, it's got that sort of two height seats. Step up, give you a look over the top of the bike. It's got that big dash, as you can see. That's a mix of TFT in the middle and some illuminated bits around the side. Yeah, the switchgear looks quite nice, sort of soft touch plastics, that sort of nice matte finish. Just coming down, showing you. Well, that's the air and oil cooled 440 single that you can see now. There's a little oil cooler just to the right of the front wheel there. The front wheel with a single disc. Here we have a 7-inch headlamp, Harley Davidson logo in the middle. Some driving lights that are in there as well. Single disc from Fiber in there. And yeah, let's give you a good 4K look at that engine if anyone's really interested in seeing that. Coming around the side, there is a cover that comes off with the key, the single exhaust, and yeah. So just to finish that up, there you go. I mean, that's probably the shortest video I'm going to do from the show, but when there's one bike, I think that is all I can say. You know what? Shall I go and sit on it? Sure, why not? Though, as you may expect for its intended market, it does have a fairly low seat, so I did feel the suspension drop quite a lot when my 100 or so kilos sat on it. But that said, my feet are very much flat on the ground with my knees slightly bent. I've got a 32-inch inside leg, and I'm 6'1". You know what? The riding position is actually a bit more aggressive than I thought it would be. I am having to lean forward slightly when I've got my hands on the bars. It's not uncomfortable, it is quite wide. I mean, the front of the seat is quite narrow. I can show you this for how I'm sitting. This bit of the seat in here is actually quite narrow, but then actually the wider bit of the bike down here that does sort of push your legs apart quite a lot. The sitting position is actually quite neutral. So there you have it, very quick look at the Harley Davidson X440. I hope that's interesting and useful. If it is, please check out my other content from the show, and maybe I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.